Welcome home to Idlewood Resort in Cheektowaga, an apartment community designed with you in mind. Nestled under lofty pine trees on 72 naturally landscaped acres, life simply feels better at Idlewood Resort. We're pet-friendly, and our gorgeous property includes a fun-filled playground to explore, picnic and grilling stations where you can gather with friends and neighbors for a delicious outdoor meal, and a shimmering pool surrounded by an expansive sun deck with shaded seating. For those who enjoy an active lifestyle, we have sand volleyball as well as tennis, and our fitness center includes a wide selection of both cardio and weight equipment for a well-rounded, full-body workout. The bright and inviting resident clubhouse has a full kitchen, plenty of space to socialize, a cozy fireplace with a library, and you'll love getting to know your neighbors at our exciting Pavilion concert series held each month, offering live music, food, and fun just for us. The 1- and 2-bedroom floor plans at Idlewood Resort truly feel like home, with a private patio or balcony, unique details throughout including colored or brick accent walls, and a thoughtfully designed kitchen with a modern appliance package. The bedrooms are comfortable and quiet, with lots of closet space, and the beautiful bathrooms have plenty of room for essentials. Idlewood Resort is ideally located near an outstanding selection of shopping, dining, and everyday conveniences. Stop in today and see what all the buzz is about at Idlewood Resort.